Would you look at him, my friend? I'm gonna skip over your skin. What a good baby. Having a pretty chill day so far, huh, my friend? What you thinking about, little boo? What you thinking about? Ooh, that bird picked a bad spot. Oh boy, looks like some sort of a woodpecker, my friend. Oh boy. He's on the move now. You doing your little hunting trip again? Trying to catch a mouse in the woodpile? Well, good luck, my friend. Oh, that bird's not sure what to do. It's getting kind of late, and it's surprisingly not too buggy out here right now, is it? At least not right now. It's kind of a warm day. It feels like it's at the temperature where you can't even, don't really feel it's too hot or cold. It's just right. Isn't it, my friend? Do you like this temperature too? I bet you do. Like sniffing all the logs over here. I hear that woodpecker going to town on the tree now. Kind of hard to see, but in the middle of the frame there. Oh yeah, breaking pieces of the tree. What's that baby looking at? You inspecting that plant, my friend? Do you like it? No. Looks like you found a nice, cool position to be in. Did you ever catch a woodpecker before, Cinnabon? Hmm? He doesn't seem that interested in them. It's like he picks the types of birds he goes after. Or maybe they peck too hard. Whoa, what you see up there, little boo? Well, maybe he does care about the woodpeckers. They're dropping stuff on us, my friend. Maybe they're trying to incapacitate us so they can make away with their escape. Is that a tick in you? No. That's something else. I don't know what it was. Daddy's looking out for you, Oh, what you see over there, my friend? What you see over there? Is people having a party? Did you get invited? Oh. Looks like we have another dead pine tree in the center of the frame there. That's too bad. That's a big one, too. They can get dangerous, but maybe we'll leave that one for the woodpeckers, at least for a while. I'm sure they'd appreciate that. Do you think they'd like that, little blue bear? Oh, good. What you seeing over there? I don't know, little boo. I just see a trail. Is there something Daddy's not seeing? Oh, boy. What is it, my friend? What do you see, little boo? Is there a monster? Some sort of a monster Daddy can't see? Oh, you're such a cutie patootie. You're staying close to home. You know it's getting late and you gotta stay close to home, huh, little boo? Yes, you do. I don't want you to be out too late now. Plus, I know you just ate a bunch of wet food. You're probably gonna fall asleep pretty soon. We can't have you fall asleep in the woods when it gets too dark now. No. Gotta have a little curfew. Or a perfew. Do you want to follow Daddy to the deck, Cinnamon? Come on. Oh, maybe he just likes it right there. This is his favorite place. Outside. But he likes to come in a lot, too. Oh, here he comes. Do you want to hang out with Daddy on the deck? That'll trick you into going inside. so you're not out in the dark. He likes to rest right there too, don't you? One of your favorite spots, isn't it? Oh, he's such a good baby. Yes, he is. We need some rain. Our black raspberries are going to grow. We need some more rain, don't we, little boo? Whoa, careful. All kinds of stuff in your tail. What you looking for, my friend? Are you doing some early scouting for when we pick berries? And probably, I bet if we get more rain, it'll be soon, but I don't know. Usually the first pick of the year has small berries too. He's on the prowl for something. All right, little boo, daddy's gonna go inside now, okay? I'll be waiting for you. Are you guarding that little oak tree behind you? Oh, good, thank you. Well, thank you everybody for watching. We'll talk to you later and be safe out there. Cinnabon, do you want to say bye-bye mid-stride? Oh, got a little scratchy ear. Where's he gonna go? Where's the baby gonna go? Just gonna check out the edge of the woods? Looks like he's on a mission. All right, my friend, you stay out of trouble now, okay? Want to have a good report card when you get back. Oh, are you coming to join Daddy? Where are you? There he is. Inspect the flowers. It's getting kind of late. I'm going to sneak you inside the house a little bit. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Make sure you're nice and safe in there. Oh, but for now, I think he's going to chill with Daddy for a little bit on the deck. And that is A-okay. Isn't it, little boo? Oh, no. What's over there, little boo? Is it the same monster you saw before? Oh, boy. Is there a ghost over there, little boo? Or something like a ghost? All right. I think we're close enough to the house to where we'll be okay.